Hi, I'm Sally Ann Harrison and this is a demonstration of coil baskets or rope baskets. I must admit that I've made quite a few and it tends to be quite addicting. They're made from coiled rope on a sewing machine, just a regular sewing machine, using a zigzag stitch. The rope that I use is cotton. As you can see, it's not too rigid. But this gives you an idea of how big you can make it on just a sewing machine like this. So it's quite a big one and it's finished off with a couple of handles, which are again made out of the rope. So this one's decorative thread, a little bit of wrapping, and then some lace and some tape actually stuck on. Okay, so you can see that we've made a base, we've turned it to make a bowl shape, we've added some wrapping. This is done in purple thread, but you could use other threads.